Have you ever paused to wonder why, even as your salary creeps up year after year, that sense of financial ease never quite arrives?
It's a quiet discomfort, one that lingers in the background of everyday life.
Today, let's explore the uncomfortable truth about EMIs, those equated monthly installments that promise convenience but often lock us into a subtle cycle of perpetual wanting. Picture Alex, a 28-year-old marketing coordinator in Chicago. He's typical of many in the US or Europe, say Berlin or London, starting out in his career.
After taxes, Alex takes home about $4,200 a month. It's a solid figure for someone with a bachelor's degree, enough to feel like he's making progress.
But then the realities set in. His one-bedroom apartment rent eats up $1,500. A mortgage on a modest flat in Europe might run similar after interest. That's the baseline, the non-negotiable shelter. Now add the car. Alex financed a used SUV last year, practical for city commutes and weekend trips.
The EMI? $450 monthly spread over 5 years at 6% interest. It seemed reasonable at the dealership. Then there's the credit card, carrying a $300 minimum payment from last summer's vacation and a few impulse buys. Student loans from college chip away another $250 each month.
And lifestyle creeps in subtly. Subscriptions for streaming, gym memberships, dining out with friends to keep up socially.
Before he knows it, Alex is left with maybe $800 at month's end, funneled into savings if he's disciplined, but often diverted to the next need.
This setup isn't unique to Alex. In the US, average household debt hovers around $150,000, much of it in these installment payments. The system flaw here is how EMIs disguise the true weight of ownership. They're marketed as bite-sized affordability.
But that slicing comes with a cost, interest that compounds quietly, turning a $20,000 car into $25,000 over time.
It's not a scam exactly, it's just how lending works in a consumer-driven economy. Banks profit from our predictability.
Let's break it down with simple math, using dollars for clarity. Adjust for euros if you're across the Atlantic.
Suppose you finance a $30,000 car at 5% interest over 60 months. Your EMI lands at about $566.
Seems low compared to Red, right? But over 5 years, you pay $33,960 total, $3,960 in interest alone. That's money that could have compounded in a basic savings account at 4% annually, growing to over $4,200.
Now scale it up. Add a $10,000 furniture EMI at $200 monthly, and suddenly you're forking out $766 extra each month just to own things sooner.
The hidden mistake? EMIs train us to normalize debt as a lifestyle feature, not a temporary tool.
Psychologically, this cycle thrives on our wiring. Humans are wired for instant gratification. Dopamine from acquiring shines brighter than the delayed reward of saving.
In a society bombarded by ads equating possessions with success, EMIs feel like a shortcut to status.
Why wait to buy that phone when you can pay $50 a month? It's the endowment effect in action. Combine that with social comparison, seeing colleagues with nicer cars or gadgets, and the pressure mounts.
We're not irrational. We're just human in a system designed to exploit that. Ignore this long enough and the impact compounds. Fast forward 10 years for Alex, those EMIs might total $1,000 monthly,
leaving little for emergencies or investments. Retirement savings? Stunted. But let's shift gears. Financially intelligent people, those who quietly build security, view EMIs differently. They see them as tools, not defaults. Take Sarah, a software engineer in Amsterdam. She earns similarly, but questions every installment. Do I need this now, or can I save for it?
She drives a paid-off older car, freeing up cash to invest in index funds.
Psychologically, she focuses on opportunity cost, what that $500 EMI could become if invested at 7% historical market returns. Over 10 years, it might grow to $100,000. Her mindset? Debt is leverage for assets that appreciate. Like education or a home, not depreciating goods. She budgets backward, essentials first, then savings. It's not deprivation, it's clarity. Recognizing the true freedom comes from owning your income, not owing on possessions. In the end, understanding EMIs isn't about drastic overhauls. It's about seeing the cycle for what it is, a designed loop that keeps us reaching. Awareness lets you step back, make choices that align with long-term ease. If this resonates, consider subscribing for more insights like this. Thanks for watching.